Hey everybody, Slot Cats here. We're playing Lightning Link Tiki Fire. That major is $797. That grand is $15,000. I've got $200 in the machine, so I'm gonna do $5 spins. I'm gonna start with pennies. I'm gonna do 10, and then I'll go to 2 cents, 3 nickels, and dimes. So, wish me luck. Let's get it. So we got 10 spins. We need a bonus. Ooh, volcanoes. Spin 2 more. Do it, do it. Let's get some sound here. All right, spin number 4. One more. We needed 1 more volcano or 2 more lava balls. Here's 5. Here's 6. Oh, we got the girls. All right. Oh, I saw the major go by. And last one on pennies. Do it, do it. Okay, no bonuses on pennies. We made $3.20. Let's try nickels. I'm sorry, 2 cents, $5. See if we can catch a bonus here. Let me know if you like this format. Oh, 2 volcanoes. Oh, where were you last spin? Look at these big balls here. There's 5, I believe. Ooh. All right, we got butterflies. There we go. That is $4.50. All right. Not quite our bet back. Come on, volcanoes. One more. Yes, we got a bonus. On our 9th spin, we got the bonus. Nice. All right. So far, 2 cents is the winner. So we're going to get $10 for the scatter. And then we're going to get our spins. We need those multipliers or bonus in the bonus. All right, we got some multipliers. Whew. So we want them all the way across. We do not want these lava balls to block them, or we want 6 balls. That's what we want. Come on, multiply us. 3 more. Ugh. Ooh, we got multipliers. Okay. So we got 5 a kind here. Let's see what that pays. Oh, that pays $40 for the 5 a kind with the 2x2 multiplier. Nice. And that was spin number 3. We have 3 more spins. Nice. I'm gonna help it out here. All right, we're up to $81. Oh, come on, retrigger. One more. We almost retriggered. Darn it. All right, we got 2 more tries. Bonus and bonus or multiply us. All right, we got some 9s. Last spin. Do it, do it. Oh, nothing matched. Okay, $86 bonus. So, not bad. We're back to the 200 where we started. So we've got 1 more spin here as a backup on 2 cents. All right, so 2 cent was very successful. Let's go to nickels. So nickels doesn't have a $5 option. I'm gonna do the $3.75 10 times. See if we get a bonus. Come on, bonus. Come on, we need that hold and spin bonus. All right, last spin on nickels. Oh, we got the girl. Okay, and the butterflies. Little something here. Okay, so that paid us what? $2.50 or something like that. All right, let's try 10 cents, $5. And we got 10 more spins. Let's see how we do. One more, one more, one more. Oh, we almost had a bonus. Oh, we need one more. Oh, we got birds. Okay. Oh, we got the birds. That's $6. Here's spin number 5. Again with the 2 volcanoes. We need 3 of them. Spin number 6. Come on, lava balls. 7. Oh my gosh, mixy matchy. Here's 8. Here's 9. And last one on dimes. 3 more. Oh, darn. All right, well, we've got $127.15. We're down, what, $73. I'm going to play down to 100 or a bonus. I'm going to go back to 2 cents. Since that was really successful, we've got about 4 spins to get a bonus. So let's, one more. Oh my gosh, 2 spins is all it took. The 2 cent denom is on fire. All right. So we've got to make back $83 to be even, but let's get a huge bonus. Let's drop this major. Come on, let's get multipliers all the way across. Oh, come on, multiply us. All right. We got kings. Not sure if we got the birds. A little bit. All right. This is spin number 2. All right, we're up to 20 bucks so far. Let me know if you like this format, being very deliberate on how I gamble. I usually am not this methodical about it. For lack of a better word. Oh, they didn't match. Come on, multiply us. Last spin, multiplier, multiplier. Oh my gosh. That would have been $75. That would have been huge. So we got a $36 bonus. I'm okay, thank you. Anyways, we'll do a couple of back spins, see if we can get a bonus again. Oh, we got the girls. So let's say no lower than 100, and if we get over 200 or a bonus, we will stop. Oh, come on, volcano, lava balls. Now, we've seen the major go by. We haven't landed it, though. Let's get it. Do it. 2 more. Oh, bonus. 3 more. Come on. We need 6 of those. Oh, volcanoes. All right, so we've got, what, 3 more spins? Come on, bonus. All right, 1 more spin, maybe. All right, let's try this one. It's $3. All right, well, that was Lightning Link Tiki Fire, one of my favorite versions of Lightning Link. Let me know what you think about this format. Thanks for watching, everybody. Meow for now. All right, we are here, Durango, playing high limit Sahara Gold Lightning Link. So that grand, 123,000. There's a high limit major of 5,000. I've got a $100 mini, $100 coin. Let's keep going. Fill it in. Come on. Let's get some more coins. Fill it in. Coin, coin, coin. Ooh, coins with words. Come on, coins. Ooh, come on. Fill them in on that last real coin. Yes, thank you. We've got 10. 5 more. Come on, coins. Come on, fill it in. Drop it, drop it. Yes, thank you. All right, keep it going. Keep it going, coins. Come on, coins. Fill it in, coin. There we go, another $5. We need 3 more. Come on, coins. Let's go. Fill it in on the bottom. Oh, you gotta save it. All right, here we go. Anywhere a coin. Coin, coin, coin. All right, that's all right. That's a big comeback right there. That's a $100 coin. That's our mini. Nice. Here we go. $275 on a $5 bet. So, So we're definitely in profit territory. We have a little bit of a coin show here going. Nice. I'm gonna help it out. Here we go. We're up to $2.96. So we got $97 of profit. We'll do some bag of spins. Ooh, Taj Mahals. And one more. 3 more. Do it. Oh, darn. All right, we're going to cash out. $286.70. This is Lightning Link Sahara Gold. Thanks for watching.